Hey guys, welcome back to another bit of video. This is gonna be let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is gonna be part 5 of my unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing Hammer's The Horror of Frankenstein. I just got these in today. That's what the cover looks like. I thought it was a bird, but actually it's an axe. This is a Blu-ray 4K combo. You can read the synopsis right there. There's some stills from the movie. That's David Proust, by the way. That's Frankenstein monster. You may pause and read the special features. This movie came out in 1970. 96 minutes long. And it's colored. 1.661. Now I'll show you the inside. Let me put this over here. First we'll go through the book. It's not a big book. It's not a big book. Covered that, but the smell really got to me. This is a, let's see here. Where's a page numbered up on these things? I think it's a 61-page book. Let's go through it here. That's David Proust as a Frankenstein monster. I smell the fresh ink in this thing. Wow. That's Ralph Bates. The late Ralph Bates. But there's late David Proust too as well. And this book has text about the movie, probably interviews. I do with this one hand, it's so hard. So I need a tripod. Excuse me. The Horror of Frankenstein original press kit. That's text. More text. That's Veronica Carson, I believe. That's Kate O'Mara. That's Kate O'Mara. My fault. There's Veronica Carson. Now this price. Sorry about the glare. Maybe Sanger directed it. Here's some poster art. That was the book. Now we'll show you a couple of posters here. I'll open that one up with one hand. It's hard to do. Come on. There's the first one. Sorry about the camera moves all around. I open these things up with one hand. I use two hands for these. That's the original poster right there. I'll put these away after I'm done filming. Now I'll show you another one. It's embarrassing I have to do this with two hands. I move my camera around. And here's the other one, which is same as the box cover. So I'll put these away when I'm done. Now I'll show you the Blu-rays and 4Ks. Open it up here. Here's the 4K of the horror of Frankenstein. And this is the Blu-ray. I'll show you what's behind this one. If I can ever get it out. Yeah. I make sure there's no nudity here. Here we go. So that was the unboxing of the horror of Frankenstein. Please leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about this edition. So I thank you much for watching, and please subscribe.